Verizon is a renowned telecommunication company that provides a range of services, including mobile phone plans. One crucial component of a Verizon mobile phone plan is the SIM card, which allows user to continue to the network and access various services. However, it can be quite bizarre when a Verizon SIM card stops working. When a Verizon SIM card fails to function, it can leave users scratching their heads in bewilderment. The SIM card may refuse to establish a connection to the network or displaying error messages that defy logic. It might even vanish into thin air, prompting users to wonder if it has entered some parallel dimension. In such perplexing situation, troubleshooting becomes a challenge. Users may attempt the standard remedies, removing and reinserting the SIM card, rebooting the phone, or praying to the technological deities for a miraculous revival. However, none of these efforts may bear fruit, leaving users in a state of bafflement. In the face of this inexplicable phenomenon, contacting Verizon's customer support may be the only recourse. Their representatives, with their deep knowledge of the intricacies of the SIM cards and their mystical powers of deduction, might be able to unravel the enigma. They may provide solutions that appear stranger than fiction, such as reciting ancient incantations, performing bizarre rituals, or asking users to engage in peculiar dances while holding their phones. While a Verizon SIM card refusing to work is undoubtedly a peculiar occurrence, it is reassuring to know that a team of experts is available to guide users through the labyrinth of the technological conundrums. With their help, the SIM card may be coaxed back to life, bringing an end to the bewildering tale of the malfunctioning mobile connectivity. If you want to know the step-by-step process to fix this problem, you can visit to this official blog on our website gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.